This one na installation of 1 kVA fuelless generator at Owerri on the 28th of December 2024. Keep watching. This is Ebu Owerri North local government, Imo State, Nigeria. So we have installed the 1 kVA fuelless generator finished now to power a room self-contained, 1 room and parlor with 1 freezer, 2 standing fans, 5 lighting points. So this is the front of the house. This is the entrance lighting. Let's do it first.
Okay.
This is the living room. This is the television. This is television. So this is standing fan. The standing fan is 12 volts. So the electricity is being distributed into 2 different categories, 12 volts and 220 volts. The 220 volts is sent into the socket to power television, phone charging, laptop charging. So in which the 12 volts is distributed into the lightings, bulbs and fans and freezer. So the freezer is A. This is the generator itself. That is the 1 kVA fuelless generator. So this is the freezer. The compressor there before is removed.
Yes, I want you.
So the switch to on the freezer is here. It's on now. So the freezer has started immediately. This is the compressor, 12 to 24 volts compressor. So it's a low noise system. It doesn't make noise when working. So this is the kitchen. That's the kitchen light. The freezer has been in good working condition as soon as we power it on with our configuration system. So inside the house we install this water heater switch to control the freezer as said. So this socket here is where the output from the generator supply through this trunking pipe into the house. So this is the power switch. That's the circuit breaker to power the 220 volts on, in which this indicator will show. This indicator show as soon as this circuit breaker is being powered on. This second circuit breaker is to control between national grid if the customer wants to use national grid. We built the device according to the decision of clients. This is cooling fan. So some clients usually say they want to be making use of national grid once in a while. So as a result of that, this cable, this socket bring power from national grid and go like this. When clients wish to use power from national grid, this will be turned on. Immediately this is on, this indicator will show. But now we need to turn it off because there is no need of using national grid. So the system has 3 switching system between petrol generator, national grid and itself. However, this is off-grid design. This product is good for customers that want to disconnect from grid, from national grid. If you want to disconnect from national grid, this product is very suitable for that.
My son will not die. It is your son that
The
will die.
installation is being perfectly done now at Ebu Owerri North, local
Nothing
government,
will happen to my son.
Imo State, Nigeria.
Amen.
So, thanks for watching.
I just came to say
See
welcome
you
to me.
next time.